Your journey in skilled trades starts at the Center for Skilled Trades and Technology.
Our program is 8 months long, 2 semesters, for people to learn the very first basic steps of what it would become a mechanical millwright.
The instructors at Humber Polytechnic are industry professionals. I think that's a very important thing when learning a trade because they provide you with the industry standards and they teach you how you would be working when you're in the industry.
The equipment we have here is basically state-of-the-art. It's just been brought in. We have brand new lathes, brand new milling machines, and surface grinders.
This program offers a lot of brand new state-of-the-art equipment, and especially with the new machine shop, the new lathes, the new mills, we're learning on very, very accurate machinery.
Through the Millwright Mechanical Techniques program, I have learned that there's many different industries that an individual can go to, such as the automotive industry, the pulp and paper industry, or even the food processing industry.
Career opportunities are endless.